Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect naan. This is an impressive accompaniment to any curry and it's super simple to make. For this you'll need some plain flour, salt, oil, plain yogurt, warm milk, warm water, yeast and sugar. For the topping you'll need finely diced garlic, coriander leaves and some melted butter. Mix the yeast, sugar and warm water together and leave it for about 10 minutes until it's frothy and bubbly. In a separate bowl, mix the flour and salt together, then form a well in the centre and add the yeast mixture and mix. Add in the yogurt and continue mixing. Then stir in the warm milk and oil and continue mixing until it all comes together to form a dough. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead for about 5 minutes. Form a ball and then put it into a lightly oiled bowl and then drizzle some oil on top and cover it with cling film and let it rise for at least 2 hours. Now it's ready, it's doubled in size. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and divide into 8 pieces. Roll each piece into a ball. Now turn your grill on to the highest setting. Let's make the naan now. Heat an oiled pan and then take one of the balls and roll it out quite thinly and then gently press in the diced garlic and coriander and put it on the pan. Keep it on a low heat and then after about a minute you'll see that the bottom is cooked. Now it's time to put it under the grill and cook until a light golden colour all over. Then brush it with some melted butter and serve. These naan taste as good as they look and they're best served warm. Today we had ours with chicken karai, which I'll be showing you how to make in my next video. Thanks for watching and your continued support. Stay safe and see you in my next video.